Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming account access. Sign into both Google accounts and Open Drive. Once done, make sure two-step verification is enabled and that you have editor or admin rights on the target drive. Next, decide whether to use the web interface or drive for desktop. Web is quickest for selective linking, desktop simplifies bulk sync. Prepare shared folders and note storage quotas so you avoid unexpected limits when moving or syncing large datasets. You now create a shared folder in the source drive and explicitly share it with the target account as editor. Once the target account accepts the share, open Drive, right-click the shared folder and choose Add Shortcut to Drive for quick access, or make a copy to transfer ownership of files. If ownership is needed, change owners in folder settings where allowed. Otherwise, use shortcuts to preserve original ownership while giving seamless access. This balances control and convenience. You finish by transferring ownership of files when possible or syncing copies to the target drive using Drive for Desktop for full duplication. Once done, verify permissions, shared link settings, and storage usage to ensure no files were blocked by quota limits. If you encounter permission errors or missing files, revoke and reapply the share, check for conflicting folder names, and resync. Often reaccepting the share or clearing browser cache resolves display.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.